हाय गाइज, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आज सैटरडे है तो मैं उस बारे में बात करना चाहती हूँ जो मैं हर सैटरडे सोचती हूँ। दैट इज कि क्या ये वीडियो मेरे दिल से निकला है और क्या ये मुझे दिल से पसंद है। आई एम अ काइंड ऑफ पर्सन जिसको हर चीज दिल से करने की आदत है। आई कांट डू एनीथिंग हाफ हार्टेडली, चाहे वो काम हो, रिलेशनशिप हो, खाना खाना हो या किसी को टेक्स्ट करना ही क्यों ना हो। लेकिन जब आई टॉक अबाउट माई वर्क, सिंस मेरी फील्ड बहुत ज़्यादा क्रिएटिव है तो मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा इंस्पिरेशन ढूंढनी पड़ती है टू एक्चुअली वर्क। And then my motto of whatever I do should come from my heart really puts me into trouble because it doesn't happen like that all the time, but I still have to do it. So, how do you convince yourself to go ahead and do your work and hope that your heart will come along somewhere along the way? क्योंकि काम दिल से ना निकलना बहुत बड़ा सवाल है मेरे लिए, एंड इट अफेक्ट्स एवरीथिंग आई डू। क्योंकि मेरा जजमेंट फॉर माई वर्क बिकम्स रियली हेजी। मैं डिफ्रेंशिएट नहीं कर पाती कि ये काम अच्छा है या मुझे दिल से अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है इसीलिए मुझे बुरा लग रहा है। बिकॉज मेरी डिक्शनरी में स्ट्रिक्ट रूल है कि दिल से नहीं हो रहा तो मत करो, बट इट डजेंट वर्क दैट वे व्हेन यू हैव टू बी कंसिस्टेंट एंड यू हैव डेडलाइंस टू मीट। मेरे साथ बहुत हफ्ते हुआ है कि मैंने अपनी यूट्यूब वीडियो बना ली है और फिर हर सैटरडे आई फील इन द मॉर्निंग कि यार दिस इज नॉट गुड इनफ टू पुट इट आउट देयर, बट आई स्टिल पुट इट थिंकिंग कि चलो इट्स इंपॉर्टेंट टू एटलीस्ट शो अप समटाइम्स। सिंस मैं ऐसे बहुत सारे लोगों को जानती हूँ, स्पेशली राइटर्स, जिनका बहुत सारा काम पेंडिंग पड़ा है क्योंकि फीलिंग नहीं आ रही है यार, दिल से नहीं निकल रहा है। एंड वी ऑल हैव अ लॉट ऑफ पर्सनल प्रोजेक्ट्स पेंडिंग क्योंकि सेम फीलिंग नहीं आ रही है का प्रॉब्लम है। ऑल्सो लुकिंग एट एवरीवन अराउंड यू, तुमको लगता है यार सब अच्छा अच्छा काम कर रहे हैं, सबके प्रोजेक्ट्स हो रहे हैं, आई एम द ओनली वन स्टक, बट दैट इज एक्चुअली नॉट ट्रू। सो ये पता करने के लिए आई टॉक टू अ लॉट ऑफ माई आर्टिस्ट फ्रेंड्स एंड पीपल हु आर इन द सेम फील्ड एज मी टू सी कि उनकी इंस्पिरेशन कहाँ से आती है, और जब वो उस स्टेज में फंस जाते हैं कि यार फीलिंग नहीं आ रही तो वो क्या करते हैं। Here's what they said.
So what inspires me to create is the sheer joy that I get when I see stuff that other people have created. When I'm not getting any ideas, what I like to do is I concentrate on something completely else, and then either ideas pop up or it's time for the deadline, and so I'll have to do the work anyway.
I get inspired from the struggles that different people go through to create their own art. And when I don't get inspiration, I try to read as much as possible, interact with more people, which helps me to introspect.
I think it's very important to kind of live your life. Whatever happens, just feel it, go through it. And a few years from now, probably that will become your inspiration. Secondly, if all of this does not work out for you, probably you can just go out, talk to people, and hear them out, listen to them, hear their stories, and probably that will become your inspiration and your ideas will come from.
As an actor, what inspires me the most is finding the truth of every character and to look at life from that character's perspective. This makes me more non-judgmental towards people and towards situation, which in turn helps me grow as a person and as an artist. And of course, there are many times when I feel very demotivated or I don't find the right inspiration. In those times, I just let myself be, because I feel inspiration is something that needs to come to you naturally. You can't just go seeking it all the time. So I just let myself be. I read books, I watch new content, and I just observe life for what it is. And eventually, inspiration comes flowing in.
इन सबकी बातें सुन के आई मेड अ लिस्ट ऑफ 4 things which I need to learn about my art/work. Number 1, I really need to learn not to hate it. Not everything I do is the most rubbish thing in the world. I know a lot of you feel exactly same way, but trust me, you don't suck. You're just learning, practicing and adapting every day. Number 2, it is not important to make one single masterpiece. It is more important to keep making small, less incredible work, but to keep doing it, being in practice and being consistent with it. Number 3, this work is also like any other normal job. You have to get up in the morning and show up and meet your deadlines. Doesn't matter if you call yourself an artist or a creative person, you still have to do it more or less like a 9 to 5 job, but mostly way longer than that. Number 4, I know I said this in my second point, I have to say it again, that you do not make a masterpiece or you do not become a master overnight. I know you might want to, but you can't. You still have to go through those grilling hours of work when your heart doesn't agree. So, ending it on the note that sometimes you just have to show up and work, and sometimes your heart will decide to come along and sometimes it won't, but that doesn't mean it's not good work because you've still worked hard for it. So, the answer to my question is no, not all art comes from the heart. Sometimes it comes from the sheer desire and the need to do it. So, I'm going to leave you with one word which I practice the most in my life now, and that is perseverance. So, if you like my videos, please subscribe कर लो, and here are the few suggestions of the videos जो definitely मेरे दिल से निकली थी. And I'll see all of you lovely people next week.